Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start Unit 8 Pronoun and Kinds of Pronouns. Students, before we start our lesson, let us try to understand about the definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid the repetition of noun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, this, that, these, those. These are the words used as a pronoun in place of noun. So, all of you take out your book, Unit 8, the pronoun and kinds of pronouns. Here few examples are given. Let us read these examples and understand in a better way. I have a book. There are pictures in it. So, I have a book. Here, the book is a noun, and in place of book, it is being used, that is pronouns. Tom is a good boy. He works hard. Here, Tom is noun, and instead of repeating the Tom, here instead of Tom, here they have used he. He is a pronoun. Mary is a good girl. Mary is a noun, and she goes to school daily. In place of Mary, she is being used. Look at the children. They are playing in the park. Now, children is a noun, and in place of children, they is used as a pronoun. In the above sentences, the word I is used for the name of the person. So, name of the person who speaks. So, in the first sentence, I is being used in the name, in the place of person. Okay. So, now it is used for book. It is used for book. He, she, I, it, they are used instead of names or nouns. So, he stands for Tom. She stands for Mary. They is used for children. So, words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. And children, here we will study about 4 kinds of pronouns. First one is personal pronouns. Second one is demonstrative pronouns. Third one is reflexive pronouns. And fourth one is interrogative pronouns. So, one by one we will study in your book. Turn your page. First we will see about the personal pronouns. So, personal pronouns means what? The pronouns which stand for the names of person or things are called personal pronouns. Here examples are given. I go to school daily. Sohan gave me a pencil. I and me stand for the name of the person. We are in the same class. The teacher likes us. We and us also stand in the place of person. You are a good boy. I told you not to come late. Where were you yesterday, boys? You also stand in the place of person. He is a brave boy. Tell him not to go there. He and him also stand for the person. She can sing well. Tell her to sing a song. She and her, they also stand for the name of the person. They are good boys. tell them to work hard. Here, they and them stand for the persons and. Seventh number you see, here is a book. It has picture in it. Here, each stand for the thing, stand for the book. Okay, so here you see again this pronoun is of three parts. The pronoun in the above sentences stand for the names of persons or things. Such pronouns are called personal pronouns. The pronouns I, me, we refer to person speaking. These pronouns I, me and we refer to the person who is speaking. Therefore, it is said to be pronouns of the first person. Okay, because these pronouns are referring to the person who is speaking. In the first example, first 1, 2 and 3, 4, A. Okay, in B you see the pronoun you refers to the person spoken to, means about the person spoken about. Okay, you refers to the person spoken to. Okay, therefore it is are therefore said to be pronoun of the second person. Again, you see in C number it is said the pronouns he, she, it, they refer to the person or thing spoken of. A person other than the above two, they are therefore said to be pronouns of the third person. Okay, so here three persons pronouns are divided into three persons. First one is first person, second person and third person. So example we will exercise we will see here. Underline the personal pronouns in the following sentences. Write FP for first person, SP for second person and TP for third person in the space given. I go to school daily. I is first person. Okay, first person pronouns. Second, Sohan gave me a pencil. Me, first person. You are a good boy. You, second person. Where were you yesterday, boys? You, second person. He is a brave boy, third person. Tell him not to go near the river. Him, third person. She can sing well. She, third person. Tell her to sing a song. Her, third person. They are good boys. They, third person. Tell them to work hard. Them, third person. Here is a book. It has pictures in it. It is a third person. Okay, students, this second exercise. Here you read this heading. Rewrite these sentences by changing the words in color by a suitable pronoun. You have to change these words which are written in color and you have to rewrite the sentence. Therefore, this exercise I am not doing in the book. This I will send you the PDF. So, this one no need of doing in the book, but I will send you in the PDF. From the PDF you see and do it in your copy. Thank you.